To install a SIM card in your iPhone, the first step is to locate the SIM tray. It usually looks like this. It's a little slot on the side of your phone and has a little pinhole release that's used to open it. Depending on your region and phone model, you might notice that there's no SIM tray at all. If that's the case, your phone uses an eSIM, which is essentially a digital version of that little plastic card already built into your phone's hardware. No need to install a physical card, you can just activate your number directly from your phone's settings. For those with physical cards, you'll need a tool to open the tray. Many phones come with a tool designed for this, but in a pinch you can use something like a paper clip as well. You'll push the pin into the hole to release the tray. This can feel like it's not going in properly. It's pretty stiff and feels like you're hitting a wall, but a firm push will usually pop open the tray. Once the tray clicks open, you can put down the tool and just pull it open. You'll see a slot for the SIM card in the tray, with one side being more flush and the other side having a deeper cutout for the card. There's also one corner that's shaped at a 45-degree angle, just like the shape of your card. You'll set the card on the tray, make sure it's nice and flush, and then you're ready to push the tray back in. Make sure you're putting it in the right way. The pinhole on the side is usually a good way to make sure your tray is facing the right way. Once you get it in, your iPhone usually automatically configures everything and you're all set. If you see signal bars up top, you're good to go. If not, you might need to restart your phone. You can also go to your settings and navigate to the cellular options to confirm your line is active. In some cases, you'll get a prompt about updating carrier settings. If that happens, just run the update. If your phone says no SIM or SIM not supported, the device might be locked to a specific carrier. And that's how you install a SIM card to your iPhone. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.